I'd like to wish Courtney a very, very happy birthday month. Hope you had an amazing and easy move, easy transition. You know you're a dear friend of mine on YouTube, and I wish you the best in everything. And I hope you're doing well with all these cold temperatures. Here it starts out with, of course, a crown for the queen you are, and a beautiful purple napkin. Gold and white charger. Oh, these were both from Temu. This is a white and gold plate from At Home. The charger was from Hobby Lobby. Silver from Silverware, Amazon. Tablecloth and table runner, Amazon. This was thrifted. These birds was Amazon. This vase was from Amazon. The flowers was from Michael's. You know I like them. The candles, At Home. Thrifted on the teapot and the kickstand. The little shoes is ornaments from Hobby Lobby. The crown was from At Home. This would be a perfect for a baby shower or birthday party. know what your favorite color is for your birthday. Mine would be turquoise and black. If somebody was doing a tablescape for me, it would be turquoise and black, because those are my favorite colors. They always have been. Because I always enjoyed some of the Southwest colors. After my many years in the ring showing cattle, that's the colors we showed under, black and turquoise. With a hint of pink, just like my YouTube channel.